There are tons of ways to make money at home, such as doing a side job as freelancer, writing an article, record an audio, making a tax return, design a poster. But what if I don't have outstanding skill? Can I still make money at home? Sure you can. Not only you can make money, but actually make a good decent amount of money. Being a live streamer or short video maker is a great choice, especially after 2020. But I am not looking good, or I don't have skills, even not talented on showing myself. Can I still do it? Yes you can. It's never too late to start, and easy to learn. But you need to be very smart on the platform you choose. There are tons of platforms like TikTok, Twitch, even YouTube. These platforms surely can help you. But hey, slow down for a minute. Take a look of all these platforms. There are millions of content makers. And after years development, they have strict community rules. You will be easily banned unintentionally due to the violations, which may even cause a frozen on your withdrawable payment. Also, due to the highly condensed competition, you must really have something different, a talented skill, supermodel looking, good humor or more. So, it's always easier and faster to actually making money on some more focusing app. BuzzCast is great one. You can easily making videos and start live streaming. The tipping culture in BuzzCast are built well. The average hourly income of a streamer are about $85. If you can make your video more attractive and know how to attract more people in your room, you can easily make $2,000 in one stream. When you're doing good, you will also be recruited as BuzzCast partner content maker. Except gift and tipping, you could also receive their salary. Also you will be their verified maker and get more pushes. If you are willing to learn how to make a video more attractive or how to start being a good streamer in BuzzCast, subscribe or follow our Facebook page. We will keep updating more useful and functional tips for you.